If someone is struggling with an addiction, the concept of the two-part brain is one of the most powerful cognitive tools to explain what's going on. There's literally two parts that are at war with each other. The prefrontal cortex knows that using illicit drugs, stealing, and doing all the other things that go along with that is not appropriate. It's not a good thing to do. Everyone can pretty much agree with that. But then this very powerful part, the beast part of the brain, the limbic part, the instinctive part, has associated the drug of choice with survival. So that so you help them identify that there's two parts of you. There's a part of you that wants to stop, and there's a part of you that doesn't want to stop. Right now, the part of you that doesn't want to stop is the one that's in control. Or if you use the bus analogy, it's driving the bus, and you, the prefrontal cortex, the rational, logical, moral part of you, is sitting in the back of the bus. It is weak compared to the powerful limbic part that's driving the bus. What the rational cognitive part needs to understand is that it really has the power to dictate, ultimately, whether it allows the limbic system to the beast to be driving the bus. It can get that guy out of the driver's seat, and it has to go into the back. And the rational, logical part of the brain can lead one into healing and recovery. You're not going to be able to stop the other part in the back of the bus, the limbic system, screaming, yelling. Any thought or suggestion right now that someone stopped their addiction, they'll feel it. They'll feel threatened by it. So help them identify that there's two parts to you. You're of two minds of continuing with the addiction. The reality and the awareness and the acknowledgement needs to be that my limbic system has gotten the message that I must continue this behavior in order to survive. Anytime someone gets bored, lonely, angry, stressed, or tired, the emotional brain just feels threatened, and it feels like it needs to get out of that state because its survival is threatened, and that will lead one to a craving, a desire. It's trying to take over the rational part of the brain and just get one to go do the activity, the drug of choice. But it doesn't last. That's the problem. That's why you get caught in this open loop over and over and over again. And so, the healing process needs to begin by first identifying that there's two parts of you, and then you can start unpacking some of the root causes. And that's, the next level of it.